भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांता स्वामिन्निति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणि प्रचारिणी निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणी जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधरा श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंदा हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण माता जी
Hare
थैंक यू
Krishna. Thank you so much, Mataji. Hare Krishna. I welcome you all on behalf of ISKCON Mangaluru Kulai Temple and Amnisha Prabhu and paying obeisances under the lotus feet of Radha Govinda. We will start our this beautiful journey of chapter 2. Today's verses are extremely important verses. Whatever we are going to learn today, it's better to by heart all those verses with the meaning. Okay. Hare Krishna. So who is reading?
चले माता जी
Yeah, true. Go ahead. Anita Mataji, if you want to read, you just raise your hand, Mataji. I think I have made you co-host, right? Did I make you co-host? Yeah, you are a co-host. Yes, Mataji. Yeah, go ahead.
श्री भगवानुवाच अशोचान् अन्वशोचस्त्वं प्रज्ञा वेदांश च भाषसे गतुसन् आगतसूंश्च च नानुश्चोयन्ति पंडिता
Hare Krishna. This is Gata Suna, Gata Sunscha, Su in Ishcha, Sunscha, Nanu Shochanti Pandita. Very nice. Hare Krishna.
Translation: The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, while speaking learned words, you are among for what is not worthy of grief. Those who are wise lament neither for the living nor for the dead.
Hare Krishna. You asked yesterday, no? Is there any other verse in which Krishna is scolding him? See the purport. Yeah, I'll show. Krishna blasphemes. Blaspheme is the actually word which we use. Actually, Prabhupada has founded that word, you see. The Lord at once took position. The Lord at once took position and chastised. See, this is the word. Chastised the student with a danda. He danda mara, we say, no. So chastised the student by calling him indirectly a fool. Okay. Guru has the right. Who can correct us? Only the Guru. So the position of master and teacher and student or master and disciple. It's very, very important. Otherwise, we cannot, for material education, we need master. Say any coaching. Yeah, these days it is a big fashion. Even kindergarten students, nursery students, pre-primary, all students, they also go for tuition. Wow. Two advantage. Number one, the mother is free at home. Drop them for the tuition and come back and finish all her work. Number two, who has the time to sit with them to do the homework? Just for doing the homework, they send them. You ask the students, oh, you go for tuition. What do you do in the tuition? I do my homework, they say. That's it. So 2 in 1 for the parents. Number one, free time. Number two, tomorrow the teacher will not write a comment in the diary. Your child has not done the homework. See? So the two student teacher, very important. But here it's not the material relation. Here it is a spiritual relation. So that's why Krishna is calling right royally Krishna by telling Arjuna, you are a fool. Okay. The Lord said, you are like a learned man. You look like a learned man. But if you open your mouth, we say no, the frog, snake will not come to know the frog is there unless and until the frog opens his mouth. Also another proverb, unless you open your mouth, we cannot measure the knowledge of a person. The moment they open their mouth, we come to know who has got how much knowledge. So that is why 17th chapter. Maunam is, it is the Abhushan, something like that. 17th verse, 1 second, I'll just tell you. Beautiful word, that verse, that is, I like that. Manaprasada Saumyatvam. Manaprasada Saumyatvam. Maunam Atma Vinigraha. Manaprasada Saumyatvam. The humbleness of the mind can be measured by the Maunatvam. That is 17.16. In that, 15, 16, 14, 15, 16. They are talking about the austerity for mind, austerity for the body, and austerity for the tongue. That is vacha, manaso vacha. So mind and words. So what is the austerity for the mind and word? Manaprasada saumyatvam maunamatma vinigraha. Such a beautiful verse. No, note down this verse. I really love this verse. Bhava samshuddhir ityeta tapo manasa uchyate. That's the best austerity what we can do. Where it is needed, we have to open our mouth. But these days, the jamana uska nahi hai. People think I only have to speak. All have to listen, hear me. I have to be the only person who can open the mouth. And whenever we don't get any opportunity for opening our mouth, we blame them. We blaspheme them. We tell them, they are useless. I'm the only super intelligent person. Yes or no? So Krishna is telling Arjuna, you're talking like a learned man, but you don't know that one who is learned, one who knows what is body and what is the soul. They are only learned person. So the jnana which the Bhagavad Gita talks about is not the jnana of chemistry, physics, biology. We say no jnana yoga, karma yoga, and jnana yoga. So what is that jnana yoga? Jnana yoga is to tell that I am not this body, I am the soul. Jnana yoga is to tell that this body is perishable. Jnana yoga is to tell that we are the fallible. In the 15th chapter you learned, if you remember, I think 15.15, 15.15. Dvavimau Purushau Loke, you all sit with the book, okay? I may be wrong in the number, so you can confirm and you can tell me, Mataji, it's wrong. Almost, not 15, sorry. 15 is Sarvasya Chakam Hridisa Nivishto. 15.16. Dvavimau Purushau Loke, Charas Chaksharameva Cha, Sharat Sarvani Bhutani, Kutastokshara Uchyate, Dvavimau Purushau Loke. There are two types of people. One is fallible and another one is infallible. Fallible, all we Jiva Tattva who have fallen down from spiritual world, we are fallible. So what is the infallible? Charas, Chakshara, Akshara. Akshara is infallible. Who are they? They are the Devatas. But next word, 17 says, Uttama Purushastvanya, apart from these two, fallible and infallible, Kshara and Akshara, there is one more variety, that is Uttama Purushastvanya. That is the Bhagavat. Okay? He is above these two. So here also that Kshara word is the Kshara word come here? No, I think it will come in the, I think 15 or 16 it will come. In today's verse only it will come. Kshara will come. Okay? So I explained that word also. Kshara and Akshara. Can we go to the next verse? So I hope you understood that. So Krishna is scolding them. Don't moan. Moaning means what? Keep crying. There are some people all the time they keep crying. You cook well also they will cry. You don't cook well also they will cry. The other person who is talking to them may be intelligent person, then also they will cry. They may be fools, then also they will cry. Oh, it is very hard, they will cry. Now you see outside it is pouring like anything here. In Chennai, it is literally, it is raining like cats and dogs. Okay. So rain also, they will say it is raining. And when there is no rain also, they will for everything. There are people who lament. So those who are wise, lament neither for living nor for dead. So somebody dies, they will say, yeah, we all one day have to die. So when we are going to die, we don't know. That a beautiful verse, if you remember, Bhagavatam. Mrityus Harvachagam, no. Ayurharati Vaipum San, Udyan no Stitam Saha, Ayurharati Vaipum San, Udyan Astam, Udyan Astam. Udyan is sunrise, Astam is sunset. By every sunset and sunrise, one day Ayur Harati, our Ayuhu, our lifespan, it's getting Harati, it comes down. So every day of sunrise, our lifespan comes down. Such a beautiful verse that is, right? Bhagavatam is really amazing, It's once you have You start reading it, you don't feel like keeping the book down. Very nice. Okay, we'll go to the next verse. We will do 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then we will go to the PPT. Hare Krishna. Anybody else wants to read? Okay, these are the words spoken by Krishna. You all have to let there be wrong, something
Yes,
wrong.
Mataji.
Yes, Mataji,
Hare
go
Krishna,
ahead.
Mataji.
Hare
Shall I?
Krishna. Yes, go ahead, Mataji.
Mataji, I can see the translation. Verse number 12, no, Mataji?
No, 12, Mataji, this one, Nattevaham Jatunasam.
Mataji, first line is not visible to me.
It is not
Upper
visible?
one. Upper one is not visible.
Acha, you want Hindi? Yeah.
Yeah. Sanskrit
Yes,
one I
yes,
want.
Mataji.
न त्वेवाहं जातुनासं न त्वं नेमे जनाधिपा न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परम्.
Nice verse.
Translation. Never was there a time when I did not exist, nor you, nor all these kings, nor in the future shall any one of us cease to be.
So, Hare Krishna. We should not ask a question at all. When did the first soul come? That again, the moment we open our mouth, we will come to know how foolish we are. So, eternal, what is the meaning of eternal? It always existed. There was no time without that, the Jamana was not there. That is the meaning. Yes or no? So, it is always better. Not better. It is always, we must understand that the soul is eternal. There was no time when the soul was not existing. There will be no time when the soul will not exist. So the question, when did the first soul come? It is a foolish question. Just now Krishna told Arjuna, no, you look like a fool. It is. Because the soul was always there. Where it was, why it was not existing, that is what we will see now. Existence on existence. Now one verse will come. Beautiful verse. It was always existing, but sometime it was existing in the womb of Brahma, that is secondary creation and annihilation, and sometime it was existing in the womb of, who is that? Causal, Karnodakshaya Vishnu. When the prime, that is when the full visarga takes place, that means everything is annihilated. That time it all exists in the womb of Karnodakshaya Vishnu. Okay? So we should not ask when the first soul came. They were all existing, they will be existing. Yeah, yes, Mataji. This, all of you by heart this. This was the first shloka, I think, in 2018, I think, or even before that. I by hearted, this is the shloka. First shloka. Yeah.
Yes, Mataji, I remember this. Tehino yatha dehe kamaram yavanam jara tatha dehantar praptir dhiras tatra namuhyati.
Dhira. Who is a dhira? A person, dhira person means what? He is always, does not bother about what is happening. Very sober. Whatever happens, I don't have any role in this. I can't control it. He is the controller. So he'll be all the time sober. Whether, even that there is again proverb, the sky is not going to fall down. We say, no, people jump between sky to earth. Then we say, whatever you do, the sky is not going to fall down like that.
Translation. As the embodied soul continuously passes in this body from boyhood to youth to old age, the soul similarly passes into another body at death. A sober person is not bewildered by such a change.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. I'll tell you how, actually speaking, Dehino Asmin. Asmin means seated. I am there. It is present. Where? As in this, Dehino Asmin. See, one second. Full I have to. Dehino Asmin Yata Dehe. In this body, I am always there. And since I am there in this body goes through the changes of Kaumaram, Yavanam, Jara. Jara means old age. Youth, boyhood, and old age. Same way, Tata, in this way. Dega Antara Prapti. When this Dega ends, when this body goes, what will happen? I will take another body. So a sober person is not at all muhyati. He is not bewildered. Sober person is not bewildered as the same soul. Soul remains the same, part and parcel. It is there in the heart. It is seated. But what happened? So, because of the soul, this body is going through the changes. So since I am seated in this body goes through the changes of Kaumaram, Yavanam, old age, etc. Similarly, when the end time comes for this body, I will transmigrate from this body to another. And one who knows this, he is a Dhira. One who knows this, he will not be bewildered. He is very sober. That's all. So the first part is Devino Asmin Yata Deha. I am seated in this body. That's why Kaumaram Yavanam Jara. Like that, Tata Dega Antara Praptim. Dhiras. Tatra Namuhyati. Like that, if we learn, we will not forget it at all. Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji.
Text 14. Matra sparshastu kaunteya shitoshna sukha agama paino nitya stastis tikshva bharata. I read it
Tamsti
again.
titikshva Bharata. Tamsti titikshva. Now, matra sparsheshu kaunteya. See, sparsha means we all know. It touches. Just for namesake, it touches what? Shita and Ushna. Yeah, just now I told no, full Bhagavad Gita, what is the Abhideya? Full all 700 verses, most of them can be divided into 3 parts. Bhagavad Gita teaches us the science. What science? The science of our relation with the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The science how to reach Him. The science, if we reach Him, what will be the benefit? That means what is the goal? Is it not? So 3, what is that? Number 1, Sambandha knowledge. What is our relation with Him? Number 2, Abhideya knowledge. That is a process. What is the process to reach Him? Then, if we reach Him, what will happen? Okay, see now, Sambandha. What is the relation between us and Him? He is our eternal Father. Father, Brahma. He is Brahma's Father. So he is our eternal Father. So the relation with that, the relation between us, we and the Supreme Personality of Godhead is what? Eternal. Okay? And see, just one small example. For so many days, you did not know that your great-grandparents are alive. Okay, say for example, your father fought with them when he was very, very young and he came out. After that, he did not know even for so many years where they were staying. Suddenly, someone comes and tells, your father and mother are still alive. They are there in this country and they are very old now and they are still there. Somebody came and told, what will happen? At least now they are very old. And now great-grandfather, I said. So by then we would have got some wisdom in our life. Okay. So we will think, how to go to them, how to reach them, which country they are in, what passport I have to take now. Sorry, most of us have. What is it? Visa I have to take now for that country. Which are the flights which are going there? I have to now arrange for the ticket. Okay, that's a process. That is over. After that, what will happen? What is the use? What is the use going to them? I will also feel very happy. My father also I will take. He will also be very happy. My great-grandfather also I will take. They all will be so happy to see his father, grandfather, and I will be happy to see my great-grandfather. So let me take all of them. Like that we think, no? That's it. So till now, we did not know. We were eating, sleeping, mating like animal. We were very happy. Whatever I am doing because of my strength, I have done because of, like that day also I told, I told no one day before, let me check my memory. What? He is the one who gives 15.15. Sarvasya chagam gridi sannivishto. I am seated in your heart. Mattaga, I give smriti, jnanam, apoganam cha. I give the memory, I give the knowledge, I give the forgetfulness. If we forget, we will scold him. Oh, Krishna, how much I learnt and came for the exam. You made me forget everything, we scold him. If we remember, We think how many times I revised, you won't believe. 100 times I told this shloka. That's why I told very well. Like that we say. Even now, after understanding Krishna, also we say this. Is it not? But he is the one who gave Smriti, Jnanam, Apohanam cha. Vedaisha sarvai ragameva vedyo. I am the Veda, I am the compiler of Veda. Everything he says. 15.15. Okay. So here, what is the Sukha, Dukkha, Shita, Ushna? These are Shita, Ushna, cold heart. Sukha, Dukkha, happiness and distress. These all come and go. It is compared to what? It is the climate. Summer will come, it will go. Rainy season will come, it will go. Then the autumn, spring will come, it will go. Then the winter will come, it will go. Right? So like that, Sukham will come. Today's Sukham is tomorrow's distress. I told that story, you remember? That man bought a big car, gave a big party, and the car was smashed. Why are you giving a party? I am alive. That is why. Yesterday I bought the car, I gave the party because I bought a car. Today I gave the party because the car was smashed, the driver died on the spot. I am hale and healthy, nothing happened to me. That is why I am giving a party. So I am not lamenting on the dukkha. Oh, my new car, I lost it, like that. Is it not? Hare Krishna, you understand what I am saying? If I am going very fast, because the story I already explained, I went very fast, but still, you can tell me to stop a little bit. Okay, yes, Mataji, translation. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. May I?
Read Mataji.
O son of Kunti, the non-permanent appearance of happiness and distress and their disappearance is due course are like the appearance and disappearance of winter and summer season. They arise from sense perception ocean of Bharata, and one must learn to tolerate them without being disturbed. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. See, that is what one has to tolerate. 3 types of dukkha will always come. That is the nature. Adhyatmik, Adi Bhautika, and Adi Daivik. But what should we do? The person who learns to tolerate them, he will be in the real happiness. I am not this body, I am the soul. My body is going through this pain. I am not going through this pain. So hereafter, anybody, you, when they say I, when we say, we have to mean only the soul. That is why this is not I hand. This is my hand. This hand belongs to somebody. Whom does this hand belong to? The soul which is in our heart, which is seated, Deginosmin. The soul which is seated in our body. So this hand belongs to it. That is why we say it is my hand, my nose, my tongue. Because everything belongs to that I. Who is that I? Soul. That's I goes, then nothing. There's no my hand, my I. People will not even keep us for maximum, they may keep for 1 or 2 days. After that, they are also tired because people say, no, till then we can't light the fire at home, etc. Everything. These days, what all the rituals have to be performed in 13 days or performed in only 3 days because nobody has got, whether it is mother or father. In fact, children living abroad, they don't have the time to come. They don't have the holiday. They have to come from abroad. Sincerely, I was, whenever my husband is in a very good mood, I am thinking, I will tell my husband, if something happens to me, kindly don't even inform our daughter. No need. What problem they will be going through there, how much will be going through with the small kids, etc. Don't even inform them. What is the use? They will come maximum 1 week, 10 days, they will live here and they will go. Everything will function as if we never existed. From the next day onwards, people will make coffee, tea, food, everything they will eat. Nothing is going to happen. So I have been thinking for such a long time, I am not getting the courage. He will scold, I am thinking. What is the use? Who can? See, nowadays it's very easy. The body is put in that, like what do you call that? Only one electric switch. You have to switch on. Anybody can switch on that, is it not? Instead, we need to go and live in a place where the temple is there, where these days so many colonies are there like that, wherein so many Vrindavans, everywhere it is there. So that means the temple will be in the center and the colonies, the houses are in and around surrounding, and we have to go there and live. Morning to night, we hear the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Even something is happening to our soul, all the devotees will come running and chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That is what the soul wants, isn't it? The soul can hear that peacefully and it can pass on. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Yes. 15. Who wants to read that? Hare Krishna. Sushmita Mataji, are you in a position to read? No. Okay. Yes, Mataji, read
Can I?
Mataji. Yeah, read Mataji.
Text 15.
Yes, Mataji.
Yamhina. Oh, sorry, Mataji. Sorry. You please continue.
No. Actually, I am very ill. Like I couldn't speak. That's why I didn't raise hand only for that.
Yeah,
Sorry,
if you
Mataji.
want, you can read Mataji. Mataji will read something else. Go ahead, Sushmita Mataji. This you
But
read.
okay, but because my voice is little bit, so
No
it's okay.
problems, Mataji.
No issue,
No problems.
Mataji. They all
Your
will
bhav
come
is
near the
important.
system.
Okay. Yahiniha vayante yete purusharam purushache sabha samha dukhaha sukham dhiram so mritava kalpate. Translation. It is, O best among men, the person who is not distributed by happiness and distress and is steady in both, is certainly eligible for liberation.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Thank you,
Krishna.
Mataji. Hare Krishna. That's what, in the previous one we saw one who is able to tolerate all these things. He is the sober person we saw. So same way, actually, I was telling about the Abhidheya. Abhidheya is the process by which we can reach that. Okay. Third science is Prayojana. What is the use? What will happen in this? It comes liberation. Is it not? So first one, Sambandha. There are so many verses in Bhagavad Gita to establish our relation with the Lord. What is it? Aham sarvasya prabhavo mattaha sarvam pravartate. I am sarvasya prabhavo. Matta aham sarva pravartate. From me, everything is emanated. So Krishna says, what is our sambandha? What we are using belongs to him. Where we are living, this belongs to him. What is that verse? Beautiful verse. Ishavasyam idam sarvam jagat avyakta murtina. Ishavasyam idam sarvam. Everything belongs to him. This is the opening invocation prayer of Isha Upanishad. Ishavasyam idam sarvam jagat avyakta murtina. Ishavasyam idam sarvam. Please remember this. This is another formula. This the next verse by heart. Everything belongs to the Lord. So what is our relation? Whatever I am using, he is the owner. So if we think, the other day I was asking, we all are in this jail. So that means he is the owner of the jail. And if he is the prisoner of the jail, and he is the creator. One more verse in the 9th chapter. Maya dakshena prakritim suyate sacharacharam. See, at my order, the whole material world has been created. So what is that? He's the owner. We are the tenant. Is it not? So this is our relation. What is the sambandha? That's why I kept on telling you. Sambandha is what? The process. How can we reach him? Simple process. Very simple process. In these two verses, Krishna has given us samadukam. Try to tolerate. Be equipoised in sama, dukkam and sukham. Here it came Shita and Ushna. Be equipoised in Shita, Ushna, Sukha, Dukkha. That is the process. Whatever comes, accept it as Krishna Prasadam. This is the beginning of the process. 13 point, when you go like this, he will give 24 qualities. That is a process. This like taking visa and ticket. What is the benefit after reaching? That is his Dhamma. In his Dhamma, we don't need the sun, we don't need the moon. I think 15.6. Na tad bhasayate suryo na shashanko na pavakaha yat katvana nivartante taddama paramam mama. Na tad bhasayate, na suryo, na shashanka. Nothing is needed there in his world. Now, no sun, no moon, nothing is needed. Yadgatvana nivartante tadnamam paramam mama. In my world, all these things they are self-effulgent. Always it is day only. It will be with full light effulgent. Nothing is needed artificially to light like the sun and the moon. That is a prayojana. Another prayojana, Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya. So if you follow this process in Sukham also, Dukham also, you learn to be equal. What will happen? Ajnanatimirandasya. I will dispel the darkness in your heart. I will light the lamp of knowledge. Same thing is given also in 10.11. 10.11 also the same thing. One second. Agam ajnanajam tamaha. Agam ajnanajam tamaha. Who says? Krishna says in 10.11. I will enter your heart. Nashyam atma bhavasto. Whatever darkness is there in your heart, I will dispel that ignorance of darkness with my own matchbox. I will light the lamp of knowledge in your heart. Krishna himself says this. Okay, Hare Krishna. So, matra sparsheshu, everything we have to tolerate. If we tolerate that, what will happen? He will be steady. And he is eligible for liberation. Why? To reach his home, if we have to go to Europe in the month of December, we prepare ourselves and go. No, our great grandfather is in Europe. Okay, in peak winter, it goes to -40. So we will prepare. We will buy, that boots, etc. Everything, and we will go. Is it not? So once we go there, what happened? The happiness we get. Wow, we met him. Same, if we are liberated, we go to that Supreme Personality of Godhead, whose Dharma is self-effulgent. There we don't have to do any work except for serving the Lord. We have to be, he will be going, we have to, at the back, wherever he is going, in front people will be cleaning, at the back people will be cleaning. All the devatas will come to recite the Suprabhadam. Every day in the morning, devatas come to recite the Suprabhadam. So like that, we will also hear. That is a prayojana. Okay, Hare Krishna. So nice, no? These two words. Okay, we'll go to the PPT. I hope you understand. At least 2.13 you learn. 15 is also very important word. Matra, 15. Matra sparsheshu. This one, 14, 13 and 14. Okay. Hare Krishna. So we are supposed to go from 11 to 30 here. 11 and 12. Sanjaya tells 1 second. Yeah. Hare Krishna. Are you able to see now? Is the screen visible?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. When it's running. Yeah. Okay. So this is Ashochatvan. You remember Krishna scolded Arjuna. You look like a fool for me in the purport we read, isn't it? So wise people do not lament. Who are wise? What is wise or what is wisdom? Can anyone of you tell me what is meant by wisdom? Hare Krishna.
It is
Wisdom, yes. Yes, Prabhu.
wisdom means one who knows themselves, one who has got a self-realization. It is called Pandita. It is called wisdom.
Okay, very good. Yes, Prabhu, you were saying something.
Yes, Mataji, who know the all shastras about the dharma, who follow the dharma also, Mataji.
Yes,
himself
correct.
also.
Haribol. Who follow, that is very important. Who follow. See, today's world, one click, we get so much of information. We can't call all those information or knowledge. So there are 3 types of knowledge. One is information which gives an idea. The same information, if it is authorized information, that is knowledge, which comes in the book. As Prabhuji said, it comes in the form of scripture. But that is not wisdom. Once we start following, that is self-realized. So, actually there is a beautiful serenity prayer. In that it comes. Give me the courage to accept the things which, sorry, give me the courage is for changing. Give me the strength. Give me the strength to accept the things which I cannot change. Give me the strength to accept the things which I cannot change. Give me the courage to change the things which I can. We must take effort. We must fight at least. If we know something has to be changed, we must fight and we must change it. And give me the courage. Give me the courage to accept. Give me the wisdom. Okay, first one is give me the strength. Second one is give me the courage. Third one is give me the wisdom. So first give me the strength to accept the things which I can't change. Give me the courage to change the things which I can. Give me the wisdom to understand the difference between the two, which I can't change, which I can change. So that is wisdom. Give me the wisdom to accept, or give me the wisdom, give me the wisdom to know the difference between these two. So that is a person who has got knowledge is only known as learned person. Just now in the next verse, Krishna is telling Arjuna, no, you look like a learned person, but you seem to be a fool. Okay? Because you does not have the wisdom. Once you know how to put into practice what you have learned, then that is the wisdom. Okay? So Lord Krishna's taking the role of a spiritual master. He is explaining everything to Arjuna. So here, see down first. Okay. First Krishna scolds him. Then he tells you look like a learned person, but you are a fool. Then he says, who is actually a learned person? A learned person is the one who knows the difference between the matter and the spirit. That means body and the soul. Body is matter, made up of 24 elements. Pancha Mahabhuta, Pancha Karmendriya, Jnanendriya, Pancha, 5 objects, sense objects, 20, 21, 22, 23, Man, Buddhi, Ahankar, material nature, Prakriti, 24 elements. So this body is made up of 24 elements, though it is matter. This matter is of no use till the spirit enters this matter. So a learned person is the one who knows the difference between the matter and the spirit. Also who knows we don't have any control over this matter or spirit. Everything is under the control of Krishna. 5.29 in the 5th chapter will tell. Bhoktaram yajnatapasam sarvalokam ageshwaram suhridam sarvabhutanam nyatva mam shantim richati. A person who knows this fact. Which fact? Bhoktaram yajnatapasam. He is the enjoyer. He is the supreme enjoyer. He is the supreme controller. He is the benevolent. Means he is the, whatever benefit. He is the only person who enjoys the benefits of all yajna. A person who knows this, Jnatvama Shantim Richati, they will live in peace. 5.29, 5th chapter, last verse. So, who is the controller? Krishna is the controller of both matter and the spirit. And you see this again beautiful. One who is a learned person, he knows all these things. He knows the difference between the body. Body is temporary, soul is eternal. Do not lament when the body is dead, because the soul is eternal. Same soul will take another body. Body is born and destined to vanquish. The objective of the body is to be destroyed. Okay, either it becomes today morning Bhagavatam I was hearing, it becomes either a stool, it becomes either worms, or it becomes ashes. Hindus, they burn, it becomes ashes, isn't it? Others, they put in the box, or others, they, bury them. So either it becomes stool, or it becomes a worm, or it becomes ashes, this body. Okay, so we all know this fact. But till the time the soul is in this body, how much I we have, how much ego we have. Nobody else is intelligent than me. Nobody else is stronger than me. In office you go, nobody can change the decision what I have taken. This eye troubles so much, you know. That is why Krishna says, if you start learning to tolerate Shita Ushna, that's a beginning. After that, you will go to 24 other qualities. Easiest thing is, we touch something so hard, how much hue and cry we make. How much hue and cry. We'll keep on, you know, gathering people and we will show this to everybody and we would, you know, celebrate that wound for as many days as possible. Okay. But what to do, Mataji? It will pain, no? What to do? That we have to tell. My body is going through the pain. I am not going through the pain. I am the soul. I am not going through this pain. Try this. Keep on trying this. Actually, I'm telling you, it will really help. But somewhere or the other, we need to try this. That's why the more we keep telling, I'm not this body, I am the soul, it is possible, right? Okay. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Prabhuji, doubt at the end, after I finish at least 5 shloka in a day. Minimum 5 shloka in a day I have got. I'll finish 5 minutes before. Okay, Prabhuji? Hare Krishna. So this almost we will finish now. 11 we started now. We have already read all the meanings, right? Never there was a time. Nattevagam jatunasam. There was no time when I did not exist. Oh, Arjuna, you also. There was no time when you did not exist because the soul is eternal. Always, only this soul has taken this body in this birth. So the soul also always been existing. So what we will say, there was no time when the soul was not existing. There will be no time when the soul will not be existing. Okay? Body may not be there, but the soul will be there. This is a beautiful verse we saw. The body goes through these changes. There are 6 types of stages. What are they? Number 1, it takes birth. After that, it stays for some time, like that. You know, like till 1 year, 2 years. It's not much of activity takes place. So it exists. So it takes birth. Then the second one is existence. And the third one, it develops the byproducts, isn't it? And nice also. Actually, think the baby is in the womb. Baby is conceived. And slowly, gradually, it will develop everything. Is it not? And then byproduct. Then it dwindles. Dwindles means what? That is what? I am the one. It enjoys everything. Finally, it vanishes into oblivion. That means it vanishes. That's all we can say, vanishes. It is not destroyed. We should say it vanishes. Okay? So that means that because of the soul, the body goes through all these changes. That verse is very important. Degnosmin etadege kaumaram evanam jara tatadeka antara praptim dhiras tatrana mishyati. Yeah, dhira person is not bewildered by this fact. This is also again important. Matra sparsheshu kaunteya. So a non-permanent appearance of happiness and distress. They are not permanent. Today we are happy. Next moment we may be sad. Or now we are very sad. Next moment we may be very happy. So these all keep coming and going in the due course. Like that, summer and winter keep on coming and going. So one must learn to tolerate it without being disturbed. Okay? This is again a same thing. Happiness and distress. That is why there's what is that? 12th chapter also in the Bhakti Yoga also Krishna has given only this. Though in the 13th chapter he has given 24 qualities, Abhideya, process. What is the process to reach the Lord's abode? This is the beginning. If we learn how to be equipoised in both the distress and happiness, we will be able to elevate ourselves. In the previous verse we saw, no, liberate. Okay? So that is a liberation. But once we go to his Dhamma, then we are beyond even Akshara. Uttama Purushastvanya, he said, no. Once we go to his Dhamma, then we are not fallible. We will never come back. Naiti Mameti, so Arjuna. What is that? Abrahma Bhuvana Loka Punaravarti no Arjuna. Again, we will not come. Janma karma chame divyam evam yo veti tatvataka tektva dekam punarjanma naiti mam yeti so Arjuna. Again, you will not come back once you come to my Dhamma. Okay? Yamgina, acha, we have read this also, no? Till 15 we read, I think. Correct, Mataji? Till 15 was the verse we were supposed to do.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes,
Okay.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Okay, one in the we will see one more till time. Or if you have any doubt, you can ask me. 15 minutes are there, so I thought we will see one more. 16th. The 16th verse is, I'll go back there or I will read you. Just all a book, right? Na asato vidyate bhavo, na bhavo vidyate sata, ubhayorapi drishtonta, tvananyos tattva darshibihi. Again the tattva came. Yesterday we learned that tattva. What is tattva? I told the word meaning tattva. I gave this example also. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevayam. Upadeshanti te jnanam jnani na tattvadarshinaha. There also that tattvadarshi came. Here also same it is there. Tattvadarshi, same word. Tattvadarshi means one who knows the truth. So what is the tattva? What is the truth? The absolute truth. What is absolute truth? There is nobody above him or nobody equal to him. Who is him? The Supreme Personality of Godhead. I gave the example. You remember Swarat. He is independent. He is Abhijna. He knows the present, past, and future, everything. Abhijna, cognizant, all-knower. But Janmadasya Eton Anvayat. Directly and indirectly. He knows everything. Directly and indirectly. He is, though he is the creator. He lies down in the Karna ocean as if he doesn't have anything to lena dena nahiye kisi mein. Like that he lies down. That means he is Swarat. Okay. So here also same Tattva Darshibihi. That is that 3.14 I think I said. What was that? Tadvidhi pranipatena. No. Correct? Tattva with, where is 14 only, no? That is. Tadvidhi, where is 14? No, sorry. 3.14 is Annad Bhavati. Annad Bhavati Parjanyatanna Sambhavaha. 14, it has to be 14. No, I'm telling the verse number wrong. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashenana. Okay, so we have to approach a spiritual master and ask him about what is politely, humbly, because they are the self-realized souls. Tattva vijnani na tattva darshibihi. Same verse here, tattva darshibihi. So who is that? Those who are the seers. Who are the seers? We only, the soul. The soul is only the seer. The soul will not interfere anything. Even the Paramatma will not interfere anything. Paramatma, he has given the free will, right? He'll be only watching. If you remember the two-bird story, two birds are on the tree. One bird is enjoying the fruit. Another bird is only watching this bird, thinking how much so relishing this bird is, without knowing that the hunter is standing behind. Without knowing this bird is eating and enjoying this fruit of this tree so nicely, like that. And he doesn't know backside, hunter is standing. That is why Ayurharati Vaipumsam, we don't know. Death is standing right in front of us, or above our head, or behind. We don't know. Okay? One who knows this truth, he will not be lamenting if the death comes. Like, you know, but said, okay, I'm not going to the story. Ajamil's story, all of you know. He called Narayana, his son, and they were Vishnu Dutas came and took him, isn't it? And in the Yamaloka, they were fighting. So Vishnu Dutas and Yamadutas, they were fighting over there. Okay. Those who are the seers, the truth have concluded that of the non-existence. What is non-existence? What perishes? What ends? Body. Isn't it? So we should not have any endurance. We should not be attracted through this attraction of our body. Rather, we should be attracted towards the soul, which is eternal. There is no non-existence for the soul. The soul always exists. It will exist in future also. It always existed. There was no time when it did not exist. There will be no time when it will not exist. Okay? So this they have concluded by studying the nature of both. Who has concluded all the Tattva Darshibihi? 16th verse. All those who are the self-realized souls, they have come to this conclusion that this body only is not existent. The soul is always eternal. It will always exist. Okay? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yes, Prabhu, you had some doubt.
Yeah, Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah, you told one verse, Mataji, I think verse 10, from where, which sloka, Mataji? Uh, mm,
You write it immediately, Prabhuji. What you know? 1 second. 1 second. Which was this one? 14, 13?
no, you gave one reference, Mataji. One sloka.
No, for which shloka you wanted? That is 15.15. All the shlokas, what I referred today was 15th chapter only I referred. 15.6 said, there is no need for sun and moon. All his Dhamma is self-effulgent. Then 15.15 I say, the Lord gives us the memory, knowledge and forgetfulness. Jnanam, smritir jnanam, apoganam cha. Then I said 16, Dvavima Purushav Loke, Kshara and Akshara. Two types of people are there. The next 15.17 I said Uttama Purushastvanya. All the verses I gave from only 15 chapter today.
Okay,
Okay.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Anybody else having any doubt? Hare Krishna.
Hare
Oh,
Krishna, Mataji.
yes, Mataji.
Mataji, in 2.10,
10.
Supreme
Okay.
Personality of Godhead is smiling. In which context he is smiling? We have seen Arjuna
Yeah.
is weeping
Correct.
and
Yes,
God is
Mataji.
smiling.
Yeah. That
In
is
which
only out of.
context
Yeah.
God
That
is
is, I
smiling
think,
towards
10
Arjuna?
or Prahasanniva Bharata. That means he is smiling at what, same. This Arjuna looks so intelligent. And I was thinking till date he is very, very intelligent. Now he is behaving like a fool. Okay? So the Lord is
Mataji,
smiling. 2.10
2.11.
Mataji, Prahasanniva.
Yes, 2.10 is okay. 2.11 is slightly harsh, but 2.3 is bitter harsh. I think he used the word klybum. Klybium.
Yeah. Klybium
Klybium means
and
impotent.
yes.
Impotent.
Yes, Mataji.
But it is a strongly harsh word, no, Mataji, for Arjuna compared to 2.11.
No, this all Krishna is Yadyadacharati Mataji. He, wants us to follow everything. Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada used to really scold like anything, people. And there is one thing. Somebody asked, oh, Srila Prabhupada, show me the Lord right now. Right now in front of me, something I'm forgetting the context. So all were surprised what Srila Prabhupada is going to tell now. Srila Prabhupada immediately told, you are a fool. That's what he said. He uses everywhere rascal. If you read his purports, he will use that word. Because spiritual master has to correct the disciple, Mataji. It is their foremost responsibility. That is why once we have accepted this relation, in the previous verse also it was given that only, master, teacher and the disciple. If we accept this relation, why these days the younger generations are not excelling in anything? Why? Even parents cannot tell them anything. Spoil the child, spare the rod. That's what is going on. Isn't it? So, but parent is the mother is the first teacher. Parents are the first teachers, set of teachers. So, but we don't give them any right to scold us, na Mataji. So, Krishna, that verse again, number today, I don't know why I didn't say. When Mataji was telling the Mangalacharan, I didn't pray properly, na. I was going for live. So, Lord is not giving me the memory. Guru is not letting me know the verse numbers. That's a beautiful verse, no? Yadyad acharati sresha tattat karma pravartana. Sayat pramanam kurute lokes tadanu vartate. Lokes tadanu vartate. The other people in this material world will follow me. That is the reason I am following everything. Yadyad acharati sresha. Whatever I want other people to follow me, I will practice and show so that they will follow my footpath. That is the reason he goes to Sandipani Muni and learns. That is so many other things. Krishna applies everything on him and shows us. Is it not, Mataji? It has to be very strong because Arjuna is a Kshatriya, Mataji. And being a king, it is his foremost responsibility to follow the Varnashrama Dharma. 3-4 days before only we saw, right? Sanatan Dharma. Varnashrama Dharma is very, 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 very essential for everyone to follow. Today's society is distorted. Only reason Varnashrama Dharma is not followed. So we have to follow the Varnashrama Dharma. So one person not following the Varnashrama Dharma, tomorrow all the king will say, Are, Arjuna only gave up the Gandiva and ran away. Why can't I? Why should I take care of everybody? So Arjuna is, behaving really like a fool. It is, in fact, Krishna should have given him 2, 3 there only. Arjuna, for a kind of person, you are such a great Kshatriya, you are doing it. Okay. Hare Krishna. Okay, Mataji.
So, Mataji, Krishna was trying to instigate Arjuna, right?
Krishna was, yes, Mataji.
He was trying to instigate Arjuna.
That is another reason that we will learn, I think, in the 18 or 19 it will come.
Okay.
So that he actually wanted to ignite the fire so that he can very vigorously now fight. That will come later. Now Krishna is starting slowly and gradually.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Yes,
Krishna.
Asha
Thank
Mataji.
you.
The words seem to be, Mataji, this is actually nothing. No, we all, when we were in school, how much we used to get from everybody. Teachers, parents,
Mataji.
everybody.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. But people like Arjuna is a daring one and is a number 1 archer of the world.
That is another reason why he is talking like that. He always goes to the vanas. Kshatriyas are supposed to go to the forest and kill all those people, asuras, who disturb the brahmanas, who go to the forest to learn the patanam and patanam. They will keep on going, learn Vedas, come back and preach. Again go and learn, again come back and preach. So if we don't have Kshatriyas like Arjuna, how can brahmanas do their duty?
Yes, Mataji. Correct, you are correct. Yes, yes.
That is what. Okay.
Okay,
And
Mataji.
otherwise also, no, Mataji, everything happens with the Lord's providence. And
Yes.
Krishna only shows everybody's that body going into his mouth in the 10th chapter. He has decided everything has done. But he wanted to make Arjuna as an instrument because he feels very happy when the credit goes to his devotee. So, nimitta matrena. That is another reason. So, this kind of lamentation has taunted Arjuna. So, he said, unless and until if I use such a kind of strong words, as Mataji just now told, he wanted to instigate him. That is another reason. We will learn. Okay? Hare Krishna. Anybody else?
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you for
Hare Krishna. The second chapter is an amazing chapter. If you understand second chapter, because 11 to 30 only is about the souls. Tomorrow, verse number 20, 22, all are the nature of the souls we are going to learn. What is the nature of the soul? So if we start understanding what is the nature of the soul, then the Karma Yoga, next 20 verses are about Karma Yoga, last 20 verses are about Jnana Yoga. So second chapter has got all the other chapters put together. This is like a prelude. Okay. Hare Krishna. But every shloka, in fact, I also try my level best to by heart the second chapter. I'm not able to, because the words are like, as you said, very, very strong words. So it's very difficult. 13, 20, 22, and Vyavasayatmika Buddhi. I think it comes in somewhere 40. All these verses at any cost we have to by heart. There's no other way. Okay. Hare Krishna. Anybody else having any other doubt? If you see, you sit with the notebook. Whenever you have any doubt, just simply write the question in the notebook and we can proceed. Because, at least others, those who started 1 week before, they all are towards the end of second chapter. I'm not in a hurry, but the thing is, at least minimum 5 to 6 verses every day we have to. Okay? Hare Krishna. Vancha kalpatarupasya kripa